अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर फाइन। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 4.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हमारे पास 1 ओवर x प्लस 1 इंटू एक्स के प्लस 1। स्टूडेंट्स, we simplify it as a over x plus 1 plus bx plus c over x square plus 1. Now multiply both sides by x plus 1 into x square plus 1. We get 1 is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x plus 1. Now by taking x plus 1 is equal to 0, we get value of x, which is minus 1. Now put value of x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2, we get value of a, which is 1 by 2. Now from equation 2, which is 1 is equal to x square plus a plus bx square plus bx plus cx plus c, by arranging similar terms and by taking x square and x as common, we get a plus b into x square plus b plus c into x plus a plus c. By comparing coefficients of x square, we get 0 is equal to a plus b, and we know that a is 1 by 2, so we get value of b, which is minus 1 by 2. Now by comparing coefficients of x on both sides, we get 0 is equal to b plus c. As we know, b is equal to minus 1 by 2, so we put here and we get value of c, which is 1 by 2. Now putting values of a, b and c in equation 1, we get 1 over x plus 1 into x squared plus 1 is equal to 1 over 2 into x plus 1 plus minus 1 over 2 x plus 1 by 2 over x squared plus 1. This is complex fraction. We make it simple by 1 over 2 into x plus 1 minus x minus 1 over 2 into x square plus 1. So question 3 उसका मैं solve hopefully आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. Thank you.